you ever wondered how the rich seem to get richer, even when it comes to something as common as credit cards? Today we're diving into the fascinating world of credit card strategies used by the wealthy. While most people see credit cards as a way to spend money they don't have, the rich view them as powerful financial tools. In this video, we'll uncover the secrets behind how the wealthy use credit cards not just for convenience, but as a means to build even more wealth. Let's start by understanding the mindset that sets them apart from the average cardholder. The rich credit is not just about borrowing, it's about leveraging. They see credit cards as a tool to access opportunities, not just as a way to buy things. This mindset shift is crucial. Instead of fearing debt, they use it strategically to invest, earn rewards, and improve their financial standing. Understanding how to use credit wisely, the wealthy turn what many see as a liability into an asset. This approach is the foundation for many of the strategies we'll explore in the coming scene. One of the most common ways the rich use credit cards to their advantage is by maximizing rewards. They carefully select cards that offer the best cash back, travel points, or exclusive perks. Every purchase is an opportunity to earn something in return. Instead of letting points expire or go unused, they track and redeem them efficiently, often funding luxury travel or even business expenses with these rewards. This disciplined approach turns everyday spending into a source of additional value. Wealthy often use credit cards to pay for business expenses, separating personal and business finances. This not only simplifies accounting but also allows them to rack up significant rewards on large purchases. By paying off balances in full each month, they avoid interest charges while still enjoying the benefits. This strategy helps them manage cash flow, earn rewards, and keep their business finances organized, all with the swipe of a card. Sign-up bonuses can be incredibly lucrative, and the rich know how to take full advantage. By strategically opening new credit cards with generous bonuses, they can earn thousands of dollars in cash back, points, or miles. The key is meeting the minimum spend requirements without overspending, and then using those bonuses for travel, investments, or even more business opportunities. This approach requires discipline and planning, but the payoff can be substantial. Maintaining an excellent credit score is a priority for the wealthy. They use credit cards responsibly, always paying on time and keeping balances low. This not only saves money on interest but also opens doors to better loan rates and exclusive financial products. A high credit score is a valuable asset, and the rich treat it as such, monitoring their reports and correcting errors promptly to ensure they remain in top financial shape. Another tactic is taking advantage of interest-free periods. The rich use these windows to make large purchases or investments, then pay off the balance before interest kicks in. This allows them to use someone else's money for free, maximizing their cash flow and keeping their own funds invested elsewhere. Timing is everything, and the wealthy are experts at managing these periods to their advantage. Luxury travel is often funded through credit card perks. The rich select cards that offer airport lounge access, travel insurance, and free upgrades. By consolidating travel spending on these cards, they unlock a world of benefits that make travel more comfortable and affordable. These perks are not just about luxury, they also provide real savings and convenience, turning every trip into an opportunity to get more for less. Any premium credit cards offer purchase protection, extended warranties, and even insurance on big-ticket items. The wealthy make sure to use their cards for these purchases, ensuring they're covered in case of damage, theft, or defects. This not only provides peace of mind but also saves money on repairs or replacements. It's a simple yet effective way to protect their assets and investments. Managing cash flow is essential for building wealth. The rich use credit cards to delay payments, keeping their cash invested or available for other opportunities. By paying off balances before interest accrues, they maintain liquidity without incurring extra costs. This flexibility allows them to respond quickly to new investments or business deals, giving them a competitive edge. Credit cards provide detailed statements, making it easy to track spending and identify trends. The wealthy use this data to analyze their expenses, spot opportunities for savings, and ensure their money is working efficiently. This level of oversight helps them stay on budget and make informed financial decisions, further enhancing their wealth-building strategies. Some credit cards offer access to exclusive events, from concerts to private dinners. The rich take advantage of these perks, using them for networking, entertainment, or even business opportunities. These experiences can lead to valuable connections and open doors that would otherwise remain closed, adding another layer of value to their credit card strategy. Traveling internationally can be expensive, but the wealthy choose credit cards that waive foreign transaction fees. This saves them money on every purchase abroad and makes global travel more affordable. By planning ahead and selecting the right cards, they avoid unnecessary charges and keep more of their money working for them. Credit card stacking involves using multiple cards to maximize rewards and benefits. The rich carefully manage several accounts, each serving a specific purpose, one for travel, another for business, and so on. By optimizing their spending across different cards, they extract the most value from each one without falling into debt traps. Wealthy aren't afraid to negotiate with their credit card issuers. Whether it's for a lower interest rate, higher credit limit, or waived fees, they know that asking can often lead to better terms. This proactive approach helps them save money and access more credit when needed, further enhancing their financial flexibility. Balance transfers can be a powerful tool when used wisely. The rich transfer high-interest balances to cards with lower or zero interest rates, saving money on interest and paying off debt faster. This strategy requires discipline and careful planning, but it can free up cash for investments or other opportunities. Credit cards can serve as a backup emergency fund. The wealthy keep high-limit cards available for unexpected expenses, ensuring they're never caught off guard. This safety net provides peace of mind and allows them to handle emergencies without disrupting their investments or cash flow. Some wealthy individuals practice credit card churning, opening and closing cards to earn multiple sign-up bonuses. While this requires careful management to avoid hurting their credit score, it can result in significant rewards. The key is to stay organized and avoid unnecessary fees or debt. For entrepreneurs and investors, credit cards can provide quick access to capital. The wealthy use high-limit cards to fund new ventures or bridge short-term gaps, all while earning rewards. This flexibility allows them to seize opportunities that others might miss due to lack of immediate funds. Credit cards offer robust fraud protection, shielding the wealthy from unauthorized charges. They monitor their accounts regularly and take advantage of zero-liability policies. This security allows them to spend confidently, knowing they're protected against financial loss. Premium credit cards often come with concierge services, offering personal assistance with travel, dining, and events. The rich use these services to save time and access experiences that might otherwise be out of reach. This added convenience is another way credit cards help them live a richer life. Credit utilization, the ratio of credit used to credit available, is a key factor in credit scores. The wealthy keep their utilization low by spreading spending across multiple cards and paying balances early. This boosts their credit score and ensures they always have access to the best financial products. Some credit cards allow the wealthy to add family members as authorized users, extending benefits like rewards and travel perks to loved ones. This not only helps family members build credit but also maximizes the value of every dollar spent. It's a simple way to share wealth-building tools within the family. The wealthy often use credit cards to make charitable donations, earning rewards while supporting causes they care about. Some cards even offer bonus points for donations. This approach allows them to give back and benefit financially at the same time, turning generosity into a win-win. Automating recurring expenses with credit cards ensures bills are paid on time and rewards are earned effortlessly. The wealthy set up automatic payments for utilities, subscriptions, and more, streamlining their finances and avoiding late fees. This hands-off approach keeps their financial life running smoothly. Many credit cards offer online portals for booking travel, shopping, or accessing exclusive deals. The rich use these platforms to find the best value for their points and take advantage of special offers. By staying informed and proactive, they maximize every benefit their cards provide. As their financial situation improves, the wealthy upgrade to premium credit cards with even better rewards and perks. They evaluate their spending habits and choose cards that align with their lifestyle, ensuring they always get the most value for their money. While the rich use credit cards to their advantage, they avoid common pitfalls like carrying high balances or missing payments. Discipline and financial literacy are key. By staying informed and making smart choices, they ensure credit cards remain a tool for building wealth, not a source of debt. The world of credit cards is always evolving, and the wealthy stay ahead by continuously learning about new products, offers, and strategies. They read, research, and consult experts to ensure they're always making the best financial decisions. This commitment to learning keeps them at the top of their game. Summary: the rich use credit cards as more than just a payment method. They're a strategic tool for building wealth. From maximizing rewards to managing cash flow, every decision is made with intention and discipline. By adopting some of these strategies, anyone can start to use credit cards more effectively and take steps toward greater financial success. Remember, it's not about how much you spend, but how wisely you use the tools available to you.